Have you ever wondered what just one spoonful of turmeric and honey before bed could actually do for your body? Especially if you're over 60? Most people know that turmeric is good for inflammation, and honey is great for soothing a sore throat. But when these two ingredients come together, something much deeper happens. This isn't just a folk remedy passed down for generations. There's solid science behind it. And, what's even more exciting, is how quickly some people begin noticing changes. In fact, many seniors say they feel a difference within just 7 days. In this video, we're diving into the real benefits of combining turmeric with honey. How to use it safely, who should avoid it, and why this simple bedtime ritual is catching the attention of older adults across the world. Let's begin with what actually happens in your body when you take this mixture at night. The first benefit, and one that seniors really appreciate, is better sleep quality. Turmeric contains curcumin, which can calm the nervous system and help regulate stress hormones. Honey, on the other hand, raises a small amount of insulin, which helps the amino acid tryptophan enter the brain. That tryptophan then gets converted into serotonin and melatonin, two key hormones that support relaxation and sleep. For older adults who struggle to stay asleep or wake up feeling unrested, this simple duo may help signal the body that it's time to wind down and truly rest. The second benefit is reduced joint pain and stiffness. Seniors often deal with wear and tear on their joints, especially in the knees, hips, and fingers. What makes turmeric so effective is its ability to block enzymes that fuel inflammation. When honey is added, it helps soothe the digestive system, allowing better absorption of curcumin. Together, they target the source of pain. Some seniors even report waking up with less morning stiffness after just a few days of use. Now, let's talk digestion, the third major benefit. As we age, our digestion tends to slow down. Bloating, gas, and irregularity become more common. Turmeric supports bile production in the liver, which helps the body break down fats. Honey works as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in the gut. The result is a more balanced digestive system that feels lighter, more regular, and less prone to discomfort. The fourth benefit is immune support. Seniors tend to have weaker immune responses, which means longer recovery times and higher vulnerability to seasonal bugs. Turmeric helps regulate immune activity and reduce inflammatory overreactions. Honey, with its antimicrobial properties, offers a line of defense against pathogens. Together, they help the immune system stay alert, but not overactive. Number 5, and this one surprises many people, is support for brain function. Seniors often notice lapses in memory or slower recall. Turmeric has been shown to increase levels of BDNF, a protein that supports the growth of new neurons. Meanwhile, honey provides a steady energy source to the brain without the crash of processed sugars. Taken regularly, this mix can support clearer thinking and help protect the brain from age-related decline. Next comes benefit number 6. Heart health. Heart disease risk increases with age, and maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system becomes a top priority. Curcumin in turmeric helps relax blood vessels and reduce cholesterol buildup. Honey contains antioxidants that support the health of those same blood vessels. Used together, they may help regulate blood pressure and support smooth circulation. Two factors critical to heart health in seniors. Now let's look at benefit number 7. Natural support for blood sugar balance. While honey is a natural sugar, when taken in small amounts alongside turmeric, it may help stabilize insulin sensitivity. Curcumin has shown promise in helping cells use glucose more efficiently. For seniors who are pre-diabetic or trying to manage their blood sugar levels, this mixture, used wisely, can support better regulation, especially when consumed away from large meals. Benefit number 8 focuses on skin health. Dry, thinning skin is really common as we age. Turmeric's antioxidants help protect the skin from cellular damage, while honey locks in moisture and supports wound healing. Some seniors even apply a turmeric honey paste topically to soothe irritation or improve skin tone. But even when taken internally, These two ingredients nourish the skin from the inside out, encouraging a healthier complexion over time. Next comes benefit number 9. Liver support and detoxification. The liver plays a key role in clearing toxins from the body, but it often becomes sluggish with age, medications, or poor diet. Turmeric stimulates enzymes that support liver function, and honey helps bind to certain waste products, encouraging smoother elimination. Taken together at night, they gently support the body's natural cleansing cycle without aggressive or harsh effects. Now, benefit number 10. Support for respiratory health. Seniors are more susceptible to issues like chronic cough, postnasal drip, and sinus congestion. Honey has long been used to soothe the throat and reduce coughing, while turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can calm irritated airways. This is especially helpful when taken before bed, giving the lungs a chance to relax overnight and helping you breathe easier in the morning. Now that we've covered the benefits, how do you use turmeric and honey the right way? The basic version is simple. Take 1 teaspoon of raw honey and mix it with 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir it until it becomes a smooth, golden paste. Some people like to add a tiny pinch of black pepper. Not for taste, but to help the body absorb curcumin more effectively. Once the paste is ready, take it about 30 minutes before bedtime. You can eat it off the spoon or mix it into a warm herbal tea. But avoid boiling water, as high heat can damage the honey's natural enzymes. Some seniors prefer a drink called golden milk. This includes warm milk, either dairy or plant-based, with turmeric, honey, a little black pepper, and optionally, cinnamon or ginger. It's soothing, easy to digest, and comforting as part of a nighttime routine. Just make sure the drink is warm, not hot, and sip it slowly as you unwind for the night. If you'd like to try this mixture in other ways, you can blend it into a smoothie with banana and almond milk or add it to cooked oats. But for nighttime use, simple is best. The goal isn't to create a fancy recipe. It's to allow these two ingredients to work their magic as you rest. Now, as powerful as this mix is, it's not for everyone. If you are allergic to honey or bee products, this remedy should be avoided completely. People with diabetes need to be cautious, as even natural sugars can affect blood sugar levels. If you do try it, start with a very small amount and monitor your response. Turmeric, too, has some limitations. If you're taking blood thinners, blood pressure medications, or have gallbladder issues, speak with your doctor first. Curcumin can interact with certain medications and may not be safe in high doses for everyone. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should also check with their healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, even a natural one. It's also important not to overdo it. More is not better. A single small spoonful each night is plenty for most seniors. Excessive turmeric can lead to digestive discomfort, and too much honey can impact blood sugar. The secret is consistency, not quantity. Now let's talk briefly about how fast you might see results. For some people, the effects are subtle at first. Maybe better sleep, maybe a little less stiffness in the morning. But as the days pass, many begin noticing deeper benefits. Fewer aches, clearer digestion, steadier energy. And for others, it's not just about what improves. It's about what stops getting worse. That alone makes it worth considering. Here's a little tip before we wrap up. If you're trying this for the first time, keep a small journal. Each night, jot down how you feel. Your sleep, your digestion, your mood, your joints. After 7 days, look back. Sometimes the changes are so gentle, we don't notice them until we pause and reflect. That little journal can help you track your progress and decide if this new habit is worth continuing. And if you're like many seniors who've tried this and seen real improvements, you might find that it becomes a cherished part of your bedtime ritual. A moment of care. A moment of calm. A moment to support your body with something simple, natural, and full of wisdom. So, if you're over 60 and you're looking for a way to sleep better, feel less pain, and support your body in the most gentle way possible. Start with just 1 spoonful of turmeric and honey before bed. Your body may thank you in ways you didn't expect, and if you found this helpful, share it with someone you care about, especially a senior who's looking for natural ways to feel better. You never know how much one small tip can help someone else. Take care of yourself, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.